Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about how to find a high CPU consuming session in Oracle database. So this is very important thing as a DBA. When you are working as a Oracle database resource, you should be knowing that how to tackle a high CPU situation, that how you can resolve your performance issues and database slowness, because if CPU consumption is high, IO consumption is high of your database, you will face lot of performance issues, like your query will not get executed faster, your database will become slower, you will face multiple issues while executing query, you will get output very slow. So for those situation you should be knowing that how you can identify this problem and how you can figure out how to fix this. So for that I am going to discuss few solutions that we can use during this kind of situations. So first of all, whenever you face this kind of issue, by using $session stats, this is the view. By using this you can easily identify any high CPU using session, and this will easily figure out the actual culprit which is responsible for this whole issue. And also you can list out the SQL query which is consuming this high CPU. So by using first view, that is $stats name, by using this view you have to form a query, select name comma stats from $stats name, where name is like CPU session. By you executing this query you will get the CPU used by the session and the stats value. And the next step you have to do to determine which session is using most of the CPU. So getting a session information, for that we discuss about the view, that is $session stats. By using this view, this is very important view, by using this view you can get the SQL information, SQL ID information, SID information, and this will be the most important thing. Once you get this information you can easily resolve this issue. For that you have to execute this command, select star from $session stats, where the stats is equal to 14, and then for this stats you have to see which SID is consuming highest value. So in our case I could see here 16 SID number is consuming highest value, and for this SID now we will see the SQL text. Now we got the SID, so we have multiple option. If that query is not important for our database, we can directly go and kill that particular SID. If not, if we don't have option to kill that SID, then if we are killing the SID, all of a sudden that CPU consumption will come down, and then our database slowness and performance issue will get resolved most probably. But in those situations where you will not be you will not have permission to kill that particular SID, then you have to look for further troubleshooting and identify the SQL text, and we should go for SQL twinning in that situation, where we have to twin our SQL query. So for that look up details for the session which is consuming most of the CPU. So for that we have to execute this particular query that I have written it here. You can use this, and you can get the information of the text and buffer get and execution buffer, and the average of the execution. This information you will get it by using this query. In that there is two views are used, $SQL area and $session. By using this you will get that details, and then once you get that, by using $SQL text also you can get, by using this query actually you will get the whole text, and by getting the whole text you can see what are the objects are there, whether for those objects stats are gathered or not. Also, like you have option to write that resize that query, and also like there are multiple things that you can do. You can go for better execution plan for that query. So these are the things that you can do to resolve this issue actually. So if you tune your SQL text, most probably your issue will get resolved. So thank you for watching till here. I hope this will help to resolve your high CPU performance issues. Thanks for watching.